Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hair Sketch app. First, launch the application and either begin with a fresh canvas or import a photo from your gallery. Next, navigate to the color selection tool and pick your preferred hair shade from the wide array of options available. Remember to fine-tune your brush settings, like size and opacity, to achieve the exact look you envision for your hair design. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth, creative process. Now, let's dive into the core sketching tools. The app offers several brush types, allowing you to simulate different hair textures, from fine strands to thick waves. Should you make an error, the eraser tool is readily available for precise corrections and refining your hair edges. Don't forget to explore the powerful layering feature. It enables you to build up intricate hairstyles with depth and dimension, giving you full creative control. To truly personalize your hair design, the app provides excellent customization options. You can apply various filters and effects to give your hair sketch a unique flair and professional finish. Fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and saturation levels to ensure your hair color looks natural and vibrant. And for those moments of experimentation, the convenient undo and redo functions allow for effortless modifications, letting you try new ideas without worry. Finally, once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it. You can easily save your finished hair sketch directly to your device's photo gallery for future reference. The app also allows you to export your design in high-resolution image formats, ensuring excellent quality. Plus, with just a few taps, you can share your stunning hair creations directly with friends and followers on your favorite social media platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.